want to discuss garbage disposals. They get stuck, but you have to be careful what you put in them. It gets only certain type of food. You can't put rice or pasta.
A shot glass in there.
No shot glasses, no glass, no metal, your beer tops. It doesn't take care of any of it. When you have to call me out.
How would I know if I got charged for that?
If I walk in and I pull out anything other than some food that just by getting stuck that didn't go through, you will be getting a $50 charge. And for no reason at all, stick your hand in there. That's why you have maintenance.
Do not. You said do not stick your hand in there. Right. All right, cool. Anything you would like to add?